coordinate proof involves placing geometric figures in a coordinate plane. And you'll use variables to represent the coordinates of the figure instead of numbers. So the results will be true for all figures of that type. So we're going to place a rectangle and a scaling triangle in a coordinate plane. All right, so we start out with a rectangle. It's a really good idea to place them where one vertex is at the origin, and if you can, one or more sides is on the axis. So if I'm going to do a rectangle, this would be about the shape of a rectangle. And I'm using that 0, 0 vertex as one of the points. And I'm actually using the X and the Y axis for two of the sides. Okay, so we said no numbers if I were trying to tell you to tell me what the ordered pairs are. This one right here would be 0, 0. Okay, and this one right here. Just imagine for a minute it was 10. We went out 10, but we're not going up at all, so it'd be 0, 10, 0. But we don't want to use a number like 10, so we're going to use a number like, or we're going to use a letter like H. I'm going right H, but I'm going up 0. Well, right up here, I still went right H, but I went up another number. Like maybe if in real life it was 3, but we don't want to use a 3. We're going to use a different letter like maybe K. So this one would be right H, up K. Well, if you come over here, I'm not going right or left because it's on 0, but I am going up that same distance. This is a rectangle. It's up still. So that's 0K, there's 0, 0, there's H0, and there's HK. All right, let's do that again. Now you have to remember that a scaling triangle has all 3 legs different sizes. And if I can, I still want to use one of the axes and the origin if possible. So if it's scaling, the legs are different sizes. So I may do something sort of like this. Okay, and then that bottom leg would be the x-axis. All right, so this ordered pair right here is the origin 0, 0. How far did I go out here? Well, it doesn't matter what letter you use. Let's say we went out D. How far did I go up? Well, we didn't go up any, so that's D0. Now for this one, how far did I go out? It's not D. I've got to use some other letter, like maybe F. I'm going out F. How far did I go up? A different letter. I can't use D. I can't use F. Maybe I go up G. So some other letter. So these are my 3 coordinates for those.